broke your window with a rock. We shared a moment in my car. You lit a fire with your hands. It felt like the world was ours. Oh, I kept looking straight ahead. I'm such a loser for this shit. Thinking if I was someone else, would there be more here than this? Let's let our shit go. There be more here than this. Hey, let's let our shit run. Okay. She said she wanted me God, and that this year gets further faster. All the sadness I can feel when there are pauses in our laughter. So I clench my teeth and bit my tongue with blood over my jeans. So start